start a study.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, there was less kind of less of the math and more so of the theory, the logic, and setting up the actual experiments or studies.
Yeah.
Hey Tyson.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I was telling Alexis I think Sterling might have dropped.
Yeah.
Yeah, the TA had messaged and asked if he goes by a different name because he couldn't find him on the roll. So I think it's just it might be just us three going forward here.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, no worries on that. We were just chatting just kind of about this stuff, the material this week different than the last couple, based off of not so much math, but the theory and setting up experiments and things like that, or studies.
Yeah, I don't think I had any questions, but I'm sure someone will call up as we go. So.
Cool. Well, you want to pull up the quiz and run through it?
Yep. Okay.
All right, let's do it. Hold on, I'm gonna grab my headphones real fast. Hold on 1 second.
How are you doing, Tyson?
Good. How are you?
Good.
I am so sick of school, so
We're getting close to halfway done, right?
hopefully all I've done past since Sunday is homework.
Oh, me too.
Yeah, I'm kind of over school a little bit this week too. With this, we had the test for this class, and then I've got a test in the my other class I'm taking too. So it's just been studying for tests this week, it seems.
I'm in B100 right now, and you have to do a portfolio. I'm part of my portfolio this week, and I had done nothing up to this point, so I spent like the last day doing it.
Yeah, that sounds like fun.
It's not.
All right, I got the quiz up. Y'all got it up, ready to go?
I'm ready. You guys are.
All right, cool. Let's do this. Oh, I guess we're still using the applet, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, which hypothesis involves equality?
Isn't it the null?
Yeah, the null.
Even though
In computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? That's the null, right?
P-value is the probability of obtaining a simple statistically. The p-value is the probability. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
you're always assuming the null is true, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Suppose the null hypothesis. Use the information to answer the next recursion. Which of the following represents the alternate hypothesis for two-tailed?
That's the not equal one, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Left-tailed.
Dang, there's a lot of questions on this quiz. Just following represents for a left-tailed test. So we're gonna go less than on this one.
So 10 is less than?
So no, it should go U or the mean is less than 10.
All right.
Because if we're thinking about the probability applet, the shaded area to the left is less than.
Oh, yeah. So the next one is just the opposite.
Yeah.
And then
Cake for your birthday?
Cake?
Yeah.
What about it?
Do you want any cake?
Is there any down there?
No, but I mean,
Okay. You don't have to go buy some. It's fine.
we'll get some ice cream tonight.
I'm good.
really determine the outcome of a hypothesis by testing the p-values at a level of significance. Using the information into the next, which relationship would result in a filling.
If we go p-value is greater than the alpha, what was that one again? The
Yeah, that's alpha.
alpha. What is it? Alexa, what was that called again?
The level of significance.
There you go.
Are you sure it's greater than?
Yeah, because if it's greater than, well, because if you think of it like, if you think about like when we had in the reading, there was that one scenario where it talked about scientific notation where it had all the zeros.
Mm-hmm.
When you have that situation, it's less than the level of significance, which means it's further away, so it's more extreme than the answer that you got. So if the p-value is greater than the level of significance, it just means that the results are closer to that hypothesis that you're drawing.
So if it's less than, isn't that when you would reject the null hypothesis?
Correct.
Okay. So p-value is less than.
P-value is less than to reject the null hypothesis. This question, though, is failing to reject.
That's why I was confused. I'm sorry.
No, that's okay.
So p-value is greater, right?
Yeah, so p-value is greater than the
Failing
level of
to reject.
significance.
Okay. Good. So then it's less than.
Yeah, because the hypothesis, our results are never proving the hypothesis. Yeah, accepting it. It's always rejecting it or failing to reject it.
Failing to reject it. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Which relationship will result in rejecting the null hypothesis? So here you go. Here's p-values less than.
Yeah.
Interesting.
All right. Which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis? So the average claim amount is greater than 1,500.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This following would be appropriate null. Average
Is equal to?
Average claim amount is equal to 1,500. Yeah. All right. The insurance company around me selects 40 claims. Man, this is hitting home right now. This is what I do every day. It calculates the sample mean of that. The insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? Yeah, it's a good assumption because it's greater than 30. Sample size is large.
So that's the central limit theorem.
Yep, central limit theorem. There you go. See, applying applications and applying information we learned there.
Yeah.
All right. Which of the following is the test statistic as defined?
That was the z-score, wasn't it?
Z-score. Let's see. I think so, but X-bar is going to be the mean S and number. Yeah, it should be Z-bar. Are you good with Z-score, Tyson?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just looking to see. Sales rep at grocery stores 150 with a stamp.
Sorry, I wasn't reading. Let me read again. All right. Yeah, just decreased. Okay,
So
0.05. Computes 144. Okay, what's the z-score?
44.
So if we're doing 144, 50 divided by
I get negative 0.9.
40. You had, oh, I did this wrong. Hold on. You got negative 0.1, you said?
Negative 0.9.
0.9, okay. Yeah, I got negative 0.9 also. You get that, Alexis, also?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Negative.
What is the p-value associated with the z-score from the previous question?
I got 0.184.
How do you? Sorry, I'm blanking. How do you find the p-value again?
You put it in the applet, and since it's
Just the
decreasing,
okay.
since it's decreasing, it'll be the left side if I'm correct.
Mm-hmm.
So I got 0.189 or 0.184.
Yeah.
184. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 0.184. And then, oh, hold on. Okay. What inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem? All right.
So it's greater than the level of significance.
Mm-hmm.
So you would fail to reject it,
Yeah.
right?
Correct.
Are you looking
Okay.
at the z-score there or the p-score?
Looking at the p-score.
And since that's less than, you'd fail to reject, right?
Oh, the p value is greater than the level of significance.
0.05. Yeah.
What'd you get for the p-value?
0.05 is oh sorry 0.184 was the
Yeah.
p-value.
So that's less than 0.5. So
No, it's
0.05.
yeah.
oh,
0.05.
0.05. Yeah, I was thinking.
Yeah.
So you reject it. All right. Sorry. What's your conclusion for the poll?
We have insufficient evidence of the true population. We have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150. Because ultimately, that's what we were trying to see.
Yeah, because we can't ever prove that it is 150, right? So we're just okay, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Just trying to make sure I'm thinking about it right.
Yeah. Our findings did not prove that the mean was 150.
Yeah, that's why it wouldn't be we have sufficient evidence that it is 150.
Right.
Okay, cool.
What are the two types of errors that can be made when performing?
Rejecting. Is that one?
Yeah, that's type 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
The researcher should decide that instead of using levels.
Um,
So it should be
I don't remember.
Should be the probability that type 2 error will increase. Because remember,
Okay.
type
makes
1 and type 2 are essentially inverse of each other. So if we're lowering type 1, it increases type 2,
Yeah.
and vice versa.
Mm-hmm.
If computes probably.
Well, it's 0.05. The level of significance is the probability of committing a type 1 error,
Yeah.
right?
I don't really know, but that would make sense.
Let me just double check that. Let's see here. I'm just looking back to the prep stuff we did. You choose.
Most common.
So the probability of committing a type 1 error is low. So yeah, in this case, the probability of committing a type 1 error is 0.05 because that's what the level of significance is.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Are y'all good with that?
Yep. Save all responses.
Sweet.
What'd you guys get on your test?
I got 100 on mine.
You got 100?
Oh, the test or the quiz?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
The
yeah,
test.
either one. Sorry.
I missed one on the test.
On the test.
That was like a 97 or something.
And you got 100 on it?
Yeah, I got 100.
Yeah.
I was surprised, in fairness.
I got like
I was too, but
I got an 80 something.
Yeah, that's still good.
The problem is like none of our homework's worth anything. So I had an A in the
Yeah.
and took that and got a B, so it like dropped my score to a B.
Yeah, it hit pretty hard, like as far as weight, because I didn't realize that you could redo some of the homework stuff or some of the group things that we did. So I had some like lower scores on those. And yeah, after this test, the weight on the test for this class are pretty heavy.
Yeah.
it's nice that we do these ones together. So we're
It helps me out a ton.
Yeah,
yeah, me too.
it's definitely good to talk it through and kind of just make sure we're all on the same page with it, having someone else to do it with.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. Well, you guys want to go over anything else?
No, I think
I think we're good.
All right, sounds good. Then let's do it again on Monday.
already.
Okay, have a good weekend,
ya.
guys. I'll see you next week.
You too. Bye.
Bye.